Hi everybody, my name is TJ Wolf and I do Linux gaming, OS videos and some hardware videos. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be helping out a friend. His name is Ben Fitzpatrick. You guys know him. He's the Gen 2 master. And today, he wanted my help on getting this game to work in Linux. So I'm gonna put out this guide for anybody else that need help with getting GOG games to work. And we're gonna be using Lutris and a custom Proton version from Glorious Egg Roll. So awesome hard work by them on their projects and everything. And let's get started. So today, the first thing we want to do is download the game that you bought from GOG. So I already downloaded it and the files usually look like this. So then the second thing you want to do is, well, actually the very first thing you want to do after downloading those is we want to go over to the Lutris we want to go to GitHub GitHub. So we want to go to this first page that comes up and you want to go over and hit wiki over here. So now the first thing is you want to go into Esync and click this link right here, and you're going to want to do all of this. So what you want to do is copy this first line right here and then open up a terminal. So I'm using a console and I already did this, so we're gonna go sudo nano and system and put in your password, and then we're going to page all the way down, and what we want to do is put this line in here like this: default limit no file 524288. Okay. Actually, the first thing after this that we needed to do is check to make sure, ulimit -h and check to make sure you have that exact number in here. If it's lower, you want to change it. And let's see, the first step, so there are too many. Okay, so now okay, so you want to follow this guide and do this Esync. to get the best performance and everything. And I will link a video to another channel that does this. You don't have to run Esync, I don't think, if you don't want to, but this can increase performance. So you guys can skip this if you guys want to. The next things are very important. So we want to go back up to, we want to go back, and then we want to go to installing drivers. So we want to click this link here, and then we're going to, then you want to find your card that you're running, your GPU card. NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel are right here. This is for Ubuntu. So then right here, since I'm running Arch, you're going to put this in here for NVIDIA, and then for AMD you want to install these packages. So whichever one you're running, so you want to do that. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to, we already did that. We want to install the wine dependencies. So again, whatever OS you're running and stuff, so like Arch, then you want to come here and copy all this stuff and install it into Arch. So I already did that. And after you get all this stuff installed, the next thing we can do is install Lutris. So whichever way you want to install Lutris is, you can use PEMAC, or you can use the terminal to install it. So you're going to go over here and find Lutris. And you can install it right here, either in the official repos, which it's already put in, because I'm using Arco Linux, Arch, or you can find it in the AUR if you're using another Arch distro. So you're going to hit install, and then wait for it to install. And then what you want to do is you want to install Winetricks, because it's not going to be installed on Arch, and you want to install this too. We won't be using Winetricks, so for this video at least, but you will need it just in case other games that you want to play, you need certain packages to grab. So make sure that's installed. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to go over to Proton DB. Let's see, I think it's custom Proton GitHub. Let's see. Right here. So you want to put in I put in custom. Oh, see, I didn't spell it right. So you want to put in, it's going to put it in, you want glorious egg rolls. And then what you want to do is you're gonna get the latest Proton version. And then we're gonna install, we're gonna download this package. Like that. So it's going to take a little bit to download depending on your internet connection. And once this is downloaded, it's almost done. And once it's done, we can go to home directory and downloads, and we want to find the Proton package, and then we want to extract the achieve here. And it's gonna look something like this in right here. So what we need to do is we want to take all of this stuff out. So copy this, and then we want to paste it into this directory. So this one, oh wait, what happened? Cancel. Okay, that's not right. Let's see. Let's go back, go back. Okay, so we want to do it. Why there's still stuff in here? There shouldn't be anything in here. It's not right. Okay, let's do this again. Something went wrong here. So we're gonna, let's extract this again. Start achieve here. Then once that's extracted, we're gonna open this up. What's in here? Then okay, we want to put. I know what I did. Okay, we want to move this. I copied it. Okay, we want to move this in here. Move here. Click overwrite, and then this should be empty. So then you can delete this folder that's empty, and then empty trash, and then we're going to go back to this downloads folder, and we're going to copy, just copy that, and then we want to go to our home folder, and then this is optional, you can create whatever naming scheme you want. I usually create a folder games, and then inside the games I usually create the folder for the prefix, which is Jade Umpire, and whatever other names. So then we put that in here, and then this is for the wine prefix, so do that, and then we want to get to our hidden file, so it's Control H, Then we want to go into .local share, and then okay, not that. Sorry. So first, what we want to do is open up Lutris. Once that Lutris is installed. So once this is installed, you can see it's up and running. We can close it out. Now what we want to do is go back to home.local.share, and then you'll see a Lutris folder. And then in the Lutris folder, we have runners. You want to go to runners, and then we want to create a folder called wine, and then inside that folder we want to copy and paste the Proton folder we made earlier. So it's going to copy everything in there. You can look at it. This is everything that was in that folder. So we're good there. And go back to our home folder, and we can hide it again because we don't need anything from the hidden folders. So the next step is we're going to open. Well, the next step is we need 2 more packages that we have to get so that that Proton will work in Arch. So you can see it on here, Proton DB. So we want to go to Proton DB site. And we're going to search for Jade Umpire. It's right here. You can see it has a gold listing right here. So now you can see somebody posted. This is a really good site if you want to get help with games and problems and so forth. Somebody posted it. So here's the packages that we need. We need SE Linux Python, which is going to build, and this is going to take a little bit. So let's go to our package manager and let's find that package. So we're going to go to SE Linux Python, and it's right here. So we want to build it. So let's go to build and apply. And we're going to click apply and put in your password. And then it's going to download the necessary packages that we need. And it's going to build a few things right here. And if you guys hear any background noise, sorry for that. My air conditioning is going. I can't really block that out because I'm using my webcam as the audio. Until I get a new headset, which it should be coming next month. So cross your fingers on that. Hopefully with the state of the world I can get my headset and the sound will be a lot better. So I think this package is only one that takes a little bit because it has to build a few things. And right now it's still building the SE tools. And I don't cut anything out. I don't edit nothing. I just, I'm not really a good editor, so I don't think it's really necessary. I want you guys to see the whole process. Even if I make a mistake or whatnot, I want you guys to see it, cause you never know, it might happen to you guys also. So I just think editing a video or editing bad parts out is kind of not realistic. So you guys can see everything that's going on my side and everything that's happening. So yeah, so this package is done. So we got that package. The next package is what we need is DXVK bin. So we're gonna go back to the package manager and we're gonna go to paste and we're gonna go to build again, and this one won't take long at all. We're gonna go to apply and it's done. So that one was a small package. And that's all we need from that. So now we can go on to installing the game in Lutris. So now let's go back over to the GOG site just because we're going to need some information to put in Lutris and everything. So let's find that game again. Jade Umpire. Now we only need the 2000. We only need the release year. So let's go open up Lutris. And Lutris is in here. And let's add the game name. Jade Umpire Special. Sorry, my typing isn't that fast, so bear with me. A dish. So then we're going to go to wine. We want to select the wine version. Then it's 2005. And then we're going to go to the executable where we have our GOG files. I put it in downloads and Jade Umpire. So we're going to click the X and then we want to click the working directory, which we made the games folder. So the working directory is going to be the games and the prefix folder is going to be the Jade Umpire folder and games that we made. So then next we got one staging already. If you followed the beginning, And then we want to click on Esync, enable DXVK and Esync. And then we're going to click on Proton. The Proton folder that we made, which is right here. So let's check to make sure everything's correct here. I don't do anything in system. Just make sure everything's right here. Then we can click save. And you can see it automatically put the cover art for it. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to do we're going to hit play. And it's going to already do the one configuration. We're going to hit install. Hit install. We're going to hit install once more. Hopefully this is the last time for Wine Gecko. And okay, when I hit play again after that, you can see I hit play it again to hit the install because it stopped for some reason. So we want to hit that. Then we're going to hit OK for that. Gonna have to wait a couple of minutes for it to pop up. So be patient, it will pop up. Here we go. Then we want to hit yes to this, hit the options, and then we want to click the check mark off, and then click check file integrity. This is what I always do to make sure everything's fine with the GOG files. So we're gonna click that. It's going to start checking the files to make sure everything's fine. So it's installing the game now. This is going to take a little bit. And so it's still going. Installing. So this process right here is going to take a little bit of time because I'm also recording too, so that's probably the reason why it's taking a little bit more time also, but just be patient at this part. Now if you have a faster CPU, it's probably going to go faster. If you got a lower CPU, it's probably going to go slower, so just be patient. It's not even halfway done yet, so I don't want to do anything right now that will mess it up, so we're just gonna have to wait. And I am still working on my Discord channel. I gotta get a few more things set up with it, and it should be up and running in no time. I think I gotta go back into Windows to get the emojis set up because I'm not sure if Discord took away the emojis for servers or not on the side or what, but I seen a video that you could add emojis, but you had to be in Windows 10 because there was a certain command you had to press. So I just want to add emojis so it looks nice and clean and like a little more professional pop to it. So that's why it's taking a little bit more time than I actually realized. And we're almost there, we're halfway here, so almost done. You guys are probably saying, thank God he's almost done. I just want to play my game. We're getting there. So this is everything you get with when you buy the game. If it has goodies, you get the artwork book, you get artworks, you get avatars, you get the manual, you get soundtrack, you get wallpapers, and you get the soundtrack in FLAC. I've always wanted to know, if anybody knows, what's the difference between FLAC and the regular MP3. Is FLAC better or something? Or what about iTunes format? They're in MP4. What's better, MP4 or FLAC? I never really understood that, so if anybody wants to tell me and everything. Go, we're almost there! We're almost there! Watch it give us an error. Oh man, then we have to do it all over again. That could happen. It did happen. Oh, well, a while ago before GOG got better and they put out the Galaxy app. I don't know if GOG's watching, but please bring that Galaxy app to Linux. I would like to get that to work inside Linux. I know it's probably not going to be the best performance, or their app, their launchers and stuff pretty much need a launcher for everything. Epic, I like doing it manually, the old-fashioned way. Installing games. I like pretty much all the newer game. I like some newer games, but a lot of the newer games, they always seem to go the same direction, the same gameplay and everything. It's not really. There are a few games that I really want to play that I think I want to buy Red Dead Redemption 2. But they still want $60 for that game, so pretty sure it might be a little bit under, maybe 40 or something. But it's still for a high-priced game, so. But I know it's really good. I know a lot of people playing it and stuff. I don't know if it works on Linux though. I should check that. I don't think it will. I'll have to play it on Windows though. But there's other games that I want to play that are new. That are coming out. They look pretty good. So we're to the end and we're here, so we got runtime here, okay. I didn't get that before, but maybe because we're using Proton. Because before I didn't install it with Proton, so I installed it with Wine Staging first, so I don't think I got that error, so let's see if this runs. So what we're going to do is I'm going to close Lutris. Well, first we want to go to Configure, and we want to go back to the Executable tab. And then we want to go back to our home folder and find the games. Then we want to go to Drive C and GOG and Jade. Then we want to go to the Jade Umpire X right here. And then we're going to click OK. And then we're going to click Save. So now I'm going to close Lutris. And let me just put this up a bit so you guys can see. So I want to get my gamepad right here. So let me plug it in. So I got it in. You can see which one it is. Let's see. is an Xbox 360. I don't have an Xbox One controller yet. But it's been working for me for a long time, so we're gonna see. You can see this in action, so let's open up Lutris again. And then we can hit play. So now our game should run in proton. So we're gonna get this graphical glitch right here, but this is only the intro. You can hit that. You can see that playing. You can hit that in the intro. I mean, if you want to see. So we got this working. So let's see what the video said. Oh, okay. So I don't think we can change. See if we can change it in here. No, so I'm glad this showed us because the resolution isn't right. So let's cancel. Go back, let's exit this. Oh wow, what the heck happened? Something happened. Things big. What the? Weird. It happened to me before on... Oh, probably because we were in the wrong resolution. That's why. So that's what you're getting. So let me see if I can fix this without breaking something. We need the settings. It's, wow, too big. Too big. Why is this big? Okay. That's what happened. Okay. Where is the resolution? No. Go back to 1080. Okay. You're still back here, okay. That's what happened. I got it. $19.20. No, what the fuck is this? Okay. We should be good now. Okay, we gotta fix that and... Okay, we're good now. That's what happened when the game changed our resolution. So, now what we want to do is we want to fix that. So we want to go into our home directory again and go into the wine prefix. The GOG, since that didn't change. The other arch I was on, it was already on 1080, but I'm not sure what happened. So we want to change the so we want to look for this Jade Umpire any file, and then we want to change the resolution. If I can find the resolution. Screen width. Let me see. So everything's in here that you can change if you need to go and change it. So here it is, right here, 19, 20, 1080. And we want to hit save. And then now, let's close Lutris again. Let's open it one more time. And then let's hit play. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's see, we should be, there we go. It's on. So now you should see it right now. And the controller is working. So now we can pick new game. I'll pick her. Accept. And let's see. You can see it. It's playing.
I swear, one of these days I'll find a way around your guard. Happily, I feel that I learn something every time I face you, even if it's only a new place to nurse a bruise. So long as you're certain you have time. Let us begin.
Focus!
installed.
I learn something every. You are
So,
Master Lee just went in.
so let's this is the menu. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and stay tuned for more videos, and maybe some live streaming will be coming. Thanks for watching. And bye now.